What educational records should parents access for their child? Imagine trying to help your child succeed in school without knowing what's going on behind the scenes. Accessing the right educational records is a key step in understanding and supporting your child's learning journey. Parents have the right to see a variety of important documents that show how their child is doing and what support they are receiving. One of the most important is the Individualized Education Program, or IEP. This is a detailed plan for children who qualify for special education. It lists the child's specific learning goals, the services they will get, and how progress will be tracked. Parents can review the entire IEP, including notes from meetings, evaluations, and any related communications. These records are protected by laws like the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, which makes sure parents can access them. Next, parents should look at evaluation and assessment reports. These include psychological tests, speech and language evaluations, occupational therapy reports, and other assessments. They help show what the child needs and why they qualify for certain services. Reviewing these reports helps parents understand the basis for their child's placement and the supports recommended. Progress reports and academic records are also vital. These include report cards, progress reports, and any documentation of how the child is doing with their IEP goals. They help parents see if the educational plan is working or if adjustments are needed. Monitoring these records regularly can help catch issues early and keep the child's education on track. Discipline records are another important part of the educational file. If your child has faced disciplinary actions, these records can provide insight into behavioral concerns and how the school is addressing them, especially if the behavior relates to a disability. Communication logs and correspondence are also useful. These include emails, letters, and notes from meetings with teachers and school staff. They give context to your child's educational experience and show how involved you have been. To access these records, parents can request to review them at any time. Schools are required to comply within 45 days of the request. It's best to make your request in writing and clearly state that you want to see your child's educational records under the rights provided by the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act and the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. You can ask for explanations or clarifications about any part of the records to make sure you understand them fully. If you want copies, schools should provide them unless doing so would create a barrier. They may charge a reasonable fee for copying, but not if it prevents you from reviewing the records. Sometimes, parents may want someone else to review the records on their behalf. In that case, they need to give written permission for an advocate, attorney, or other representative to access the records. Knowing what records to access and how to get them is a powerful way for parents to stay involved. It helps you make informed decisions, advocate for your child's needs, and work closely with educators to support their success. Staying informed about your child's educational history and current progress is a key part of being an effective advocate and partner in their education.